Hi. Oh! Alright guys, it is the morning after, about noontime. Beautiful Saturday right now. It's nice as shit. The Teggy's sitting behind us. Yeah, old school. As you'll see, we took it for a ride yesterday after we just put the tranny in. It drives wicked nice. It shifted good. It drove fine, no problems, which is cool. First time first rip, you know what I mean? No problems, which is pretty good. It started up, it drove fine. I want to look at it for leaks before we do anything, but the goal is to take it for another cruise right now because it's so nice out. Just give her a little rub. Let her warm up though. It's my mom. F-150 Mafia.
So right now we're in the Teggy.
We're driving it. Dude, I don't know. Let's try to listen to the rice pitch. You can make it rice if you want. Ready? You can. It's like you can pick if you want the rice or not. You know what I mean?
You got the clutch aligning tool up here.
That's a Subaru tool. Yep. I told you guys that we fucking cut to make work, and it fits so good. So if you ever need it, if you're ever in a jam and you have a Subaru clutch alignment tool, I don't know for what Subaru, what generation or whatever, I have no clue, but you can cut it and it'll work good. So
just says Subaru.
Just all I know is for a Subaru. Yeah.
Yep. Fucking mint. It's not bad. It sounds insanely rice, and I love it. No door handle, obviously. I don't know if you can see that. Give her a little.
Hey, just keep your dot on.
No miles per hour gauge. We don't need that.
Don't worry.
We don't need that.
These seatbelts are very odd.
These seatbelts are fucking sick. Going about 30.
I know, we don't really know how fast we're going.
Honestly. It's just chilling.
Yeah, it's 22. Rice, the level of rice is 2200.
2200 rice level. Old school. Door panel in the back. Race car, weight reduction.
This is why I blow donuts in like my Vic and various vehicles. This intersection is pretty fun.
Front wheel drive.
We can't do front wheel drive things though.
Speed limit 20.
This is a wide open pull for you guys. She's fast.
Seems about 20, yeah.
Oh, animal. These roads are fun. We'll take you for the video for these roads. Keep them on alert.
Is it bad that I kind of want to see like a pothole?
See a pothole?
Yeah.
Why?
I want to get it on video.
Probably fine.
It's so fucked. I don't even care.
We're choo-choo through the back roads of Carlisle right now in the Honditas.
Carlisle and the Honditas.
We're trying to break in the clutch too. I'm not going to drive it too hard. No clutch dump things and rape tire things, but there's going to be a lot of fucking shit ton of that and various things, but we're going to try and break in this. This is Billy's daily, so we don't want to break it quite yet. Oh, here's the oh, Jesus.
She handles like a champ. Track ready, NASCAR.
Oh, rice kicked in.
No VTEC, just rice, straight rice.
Oh, there's the pothole. Oh, fuck! Oh, woo. That one wasn't bad.
Missed that shit. A1. Oh, look at the fucking alpaca. The fucking llama.
Is it? What is it? Which one is it?
I don't know.
Is it a llama? It's a llama, right?
Alpaca.
What the fuck?
Alpaca llama, nigga. What's an alpaca?
We'll let you guys tell us.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
If
there was an alpuca or a luma.
We have no clue.
We don't know. Oh shit.
Uphill start in the tag.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, rice kicked in. It's so funny that it literally kicks in. Like you hear it. Like you just know it's rice. It just kicks in. It's like We don't have VTEC, we have rice kicked in.
Yeah, rice kicked. No VTEC.
Whoever before us did like put an exhaust in it though. Those are weird.
Those trees have just come on.
They did put like an exhaust in it, so it's not just like cut off, so it sounds ricey. So it has like a pipe and shit on it.
Yeah, man, that's a very weird fucking mailbox. It's fucking big.
Yeah, I think the suspension's just loose. Like we put it together as tight, but I don't know. We didn't check the control arms and shit, and I don't know. They feel kind of because whenever you put like these are probably eBay coilovers or some crappy ones, which we're gonna do anyways. But that's all we can afford too. So, but that's probably what we're working with. So.
eBay coils, eBay turbo.
Oh Jesus! Oh God.
eBay everything.
No, not eBay everything.
Almost everything.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
I couldn't do anything to avoid that.
hefty. Ooh. Very steep incline. Fuck you. Sick Jeep, bro. What the fuck? I want that then. Where's the Supra at?
I'm bringing it. I'm coming to bring it to you.
What is it? Mark 3, Mark 4?
3.
Trey.
Actually, yeah. I think so, right? You might know better more than I will.
The generic one's 4.
I'll show you. I'm pretty sure it's T. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is a low life problem right here.
Oh yeah. She loves it, champ.
Thing's raised.
Yeah, raised in the front, slant in the back, you know.
It's actually, and I don't know how high it is. It's really, I don't think you really raised. You didn't raise it all the way.
No, obviously not. We had to raise it a little bit so we can get on the trailer.
Fuck this guy. Probably bring it home.
Oh, yeah, dinosaur.
Yeah, there's a dinosaur back there.
Fuck. Dino.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love